Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for DeepSeek. First, navigate to the official DeepSeek website using your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the prominent Sign Up or Register button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Before you begin, ensure you have a valid email address ready and have thought of a strong, unique password to protect your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, setting the foundation for your DeepSeek journey. Now, let's create your account. On the registration page, carefully enter your email address and the strong password you've prepared into the designated fields. It's crucial to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Many platforms also include a CAPTCHA challenge to verify you are not a robot. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. This ensures a secure and legitimate account creation process for everyone. After submitting your details, the next crucial step is account verification. You will receive an email from DeepSeek containing a verification link. Please check your inbox and sometimes your spam folder for this message. Clicking on this link will activate your new account, granting you full access to the platform. Once verified, you might be prompted to complete your profile with optional details, such as a username or avatar, enhancing your personalized experience. With your account successfully created and verified, you are now ready to explore DeepSeek. Log in using your registered email and password. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the platform's user interface, navigating through different sections and menus. DeepSeek offers a variety of features and tools designed to assist you, so feel free to start experimenting and discovering how it can benefit your work or projects. Enjoy your new DeepSeek experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.